This 2012 Jeep Wrangler is brought to you by RLB Sales and Leasing. Certified pre-owned, aluminum wheels, running boards, 4x4, non-smoker, premium wheels, Pro Comp lift kit, 16-inch UOTMB motoring, polished aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich all-terrain, 315/75 SAR 16 tires, air conditioning, black 3-piece hardtop, freedom panel storage bag, front 1 touchdown power windows, power convenience group, power heated mirrors, power locks, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, washer, remote keyless entry, security alarm, tinted rear quarter and amp liftgate windows. This Jeep is in above average condition inside and out for the year in mileage, and has been adult owned, driven, and garage kept. The exterior is in above average condition for the year in mileage. The wheels are in superb condition with no abrasions. The interior of this vehicle is in above average condition for the year in mileage. This Jeep was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. This vehicle has a certified pre-owned limited warranty. 0.4 WD 5-speed automatic 3.6 LV6 24 volts VVT recent arrival. Odometer. Visit us at rlbsalesandleasing.com.